Everyone. So welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first MTech channel. So my dear friends, today in this video we are going to learn the mathematics for LP section again. Alright, and the topic we have here today is data handling. Now what is data? Data is any information which you have collected. It can be for any purpose. It can be for the purpose of evaluation. It can be for the purpose of your research. It can be for the purpose of your experiments, right? It can be anything. So data handling means once you have collected the information or you have collected the data, how are you going to handle it? All right. So there are different steps, different processes how you're going to handle the data which you have collected. All right. So that is known as data handling. And under data handling, we have different subtypes. There is sorting. Sorting we have, then classification we have, then frequency distribution we have, and graph reading we have. See, this data handling, where do you find? In class 8, class 9, especially in class 9 and 10, in mathematics you will find the statistics, probabilities, right? Especially in statistics we use these data handling. All right, so if you do not know, then you can go back and read the textbook of mathematics of class 9 and class 10 statistics chapters, and you will know all about this. All right, now sorting. See, what is sorting? Sorting means differentiating. All right, suppose here if I want to sort among the fruits, right? So suppose I have a basket of fruits, so I want to sort them into citrus fruits and into normal fruits. So suppose I want to differentiate. Differentiation is called sorting. All right, so I want to differentiate between citrus fruits and normal fruits. So citrus fruits are what? Citrus fruits are like lemon. Lemon I will keep separate, then orange I will keep separate, then guava I will keep separate, apple I will keep separate, right? So all the fruits which are too sour to test I will keep in one side, and the normal fruits I'll keep on the other side. That is called sorting out, right? Or differentiating, or you know differentiating the two or three or whatever it is. All right, so that is what we mean by sorting. Sort out. People these days they talk about like, oh, I have already sorted out the problem. Sort out means solve the problem. So that is the one. Right, now classification. See, classification is very very easy and simple. For example, if we want to classify animals, if we want to classify the animals like aves, what animals are called aves? Aves are the animals which can fly, right? The birds, parrot, then pigeon, dove, these are the birds which can fly, right? Aves. And then again we can, but these birds are also animals, right? Then if we talk about reptiles like the snakes, the lizards, right? These are the reptiles. Then if we talk about the mammals like the bats, the human beings, the dogs, the cats, right? These are the mammals. So this is how we can classify or categorize, bring into different groups, subgroups, right? That is called classification. Of frequency distribution. See, frequency means what? Frequency means something which is occurring at repeated interval, right? So how do we distribute a frequency? So those, that frequency distribution, mean, median, mode, all these things you will understand when you go through the chapter statistics in class 9 and 10 of mathematics. All right, then graph reading. See, graph, we all have drawn graph, right? So graph have basically got two axes, right? One is x-axis, another one is y-axis, right? So we have x-axis and y-axis, right? And we have here initial 0. Then this side we take it as 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and here we take it as negative, -1, -2, -3, right? Here also minus 1, -2, -3, like that, right? And here again +1, +2, +3, like that. So this is how we draw the graph, or how we do the graph reading. So in graph reading we have different type of graphs, we have different type of charts, we have different type of bars, right? So we have histogram, we have histogram, we have pie chart, we have the bar graph, etc., right? So those who love to watch cricket, if you like to watch the cricket, like recently India, our own country, has won the World Cup, right? So in cricket you will see when they do replay, right? Replay, when they are doing the replay of the shot or the bowling or the wicket, then they make use of graphs. Yes or no? They are making use of graph, because graph helps us to plot data into a meaningful way without so much of problem. So which means it is very easy for us to read the data from the graph, right? So you all know what is graph paper. So this, regarding the graph also, we have got chapters in class 9 and 10: linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variables, right? Those chapters, if you follow, you will find how we read the graph, how we plot the graph, all right? So these are the things under data handling. So these chapters, my dear friends, it's very easy and simple, provided you go through the textbooks of class 9 and 10. It is not possible for me to teach you the textbook of class 9 and 10 at this moment, because we don't have enough time, right? So this is all I can do for you, and rest of the things you can please go through your notes. And suppose if you find that no sir, our notes are complicated, then you can request me again and I will give you another notes, all right, free of cost. So you can let me know, right? So I think this is all in this video. So thank you everyone for watching.